how to use demo trading in OKX. So hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to use your demo trade here on OKX. The demo trade here on OKX, all we need to do is open up our OKX right here. Once our OKX right here has been opened up, next thing we need to do for us to do a demo trade, all we need to do is click on the top left corner right here. Here in the top left corner, once you're here, all you need to do is to go down till you see demo trading. Press on demo trading right there. Once you're here, click on start demo trading. As you see right now, reloading. Unable to display network. Yes, because of my Wi-Fi. As you can see right now, it's 0. But anyways, demo trading right here. As you can see right now, we're gonna exit it. We're gonna retry it again. And try to demo trade again. Oh no, we just left. Anyway, just go back. Let's go back to demo trade. As you can see, that's how you just demo trade. And find trade, and click on demo trading, then click on start demo trading. Here you can practice the trade. For example, we can practice by Bitcoin right there, demo trade. For example, you can trade right here with no worries of you losing your actual money right here. For example, buy BTC, put in like 100, buy BTC, confirm. As you see, Fed or USD balance. So there you go. So you see right now it's failed. There you go. We don't have inside right here. We have money. If we have money, we can just demo trade right here. So once you're here, demo trade, you can demo trade your money like for 1 week or whatnot, and then there you'll be able to practice how it works. So this is the demo trade. It's also on real time. So when you go back right here and try trading right here, as you can see right now, it's loading. As you see right now, it's on the real time demo trade. There we go. As you see right there. So yeah, there you go. That's how it works. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any question or concerns, you can type it down in the comment below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible in here. How to rock it, guys, and thank you guys.